You did not. Are we ready?
It's rolling.
Why do you always do that to me? Stop. Redo it. We ready yet?
It's been rolling.
Kyle! Hey y'all, welcome to Honey Bear's Country Kitchen. On today's episode, we are going to make hot dogs all the way. If you're from the southern states, you know what I'm talking about.
North Carolina to be exact.
Yes, North Carolina to be exact. If you're from the Midwest, you're probably looking at me like, what is she talking about? But, so follow along as we get started. Because you can pick up where I left off, right? You can just edit that little part out and put my next part in.
Start over. Take two.
Take two. Is it ready? Oh. So, y'all just ever been driving down Interstate 85 and saw a lovely mom and pop gas station on the side of the road and you're just wondering, what in the world do they have in there to eat? Well, me and my husband pulled in there one day, took me in there, and they said they had these all-the-way dogs. I looked at him like, what's an all-the-way dog? Well, they brought it out. You have this lovely chili here that goes on the hot dog. You can use Hormel. This is Aldi's brand. Then you put slaw, cheese, onions, of course your hot dog on the bun. You gotta have the bun. And yellow mustard on top of it to top it off. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. He wants his hot dogs air fried. So we're gonna air fry some hot dogs. So follow along as we start. So, 17 years ago, actually almost 18 years ago, when I married my lovely husband, he just decided, let's go on vacation one day and go for a drive. Well, back then we were broke people. We lived on hot dogs. We lived on mac and cheese. Well, so we pulled in this gas station. And what they had these all-the-way hot dogs. Had no clue about them. But let me tell you, it's some of the best hot dogs ever. And I'm making a slit. That way when it air fries, it opens up beautifully.
And it holds your chili. We've learned that through the years.
Yes, and it'll hold your chili perfectly. But my husband is the reason I like these hot dogs now. Because he took me to a mom and pop gas station. And so we've made our kids like them.
Well, we didn't make them. We introduced it to them.
He's back there storytelling for me. We introduced it to them, and they like them as well. So I'm going to put these in the air fryer for about 14 lovely minutes. And then I'm open up and cook. And
Until they're burnt like I like it.
Until they're burnt like he likes them. And we shall be back for him to devour this deliciousness. Oh! Are you guys ready to watch me put these in the air fryer?
No,
Come on. Okay, sorry. You're going to cut that part out. Alrighty, so we're going to put these in the air fryer for about 14 minutes. And I'll come and rotate them about 7 minutes in. We'll put them on the top shelf because he likes them mighty burnt.
That's right. Crispy or nothing. Go big or go home. Yeah.
Yeah. Ain't that right, Bug?
Boiled garbage.
Ain't that right, girlfriend?
We're doing it all the way. We're doing it all the way.
Oh, boy.
Oh, man.
All right, folks. Let's check our wieners. Hey-oh.
Really?
Just how he likes them, nice and crispy.
Got that little bit of char.
They crispy.
The char.
Tremendous.
Cha-cha-char.
Let's go make up some hot dogs now. Follow along. Let's go. So you ever seen these kind of buns? Instead of sliced down the side, they're bam! Or sliced down the middle.
Top sliced.
Top sliced.
Get it right. You're going to be factual.
And then you take your top sliced dog and you put it in the middle. And then you take this lovely yellow mustard here. Put some of that. Take you just a little bit of chili.
Right in the middle of the crack. There you go.
Then you take you some onion. Like that. A little bit of slaw. You can make these as big as you want. But I only put a little bit on. And then a little bit of cheese.
Or don't put the cheese, it doesn't matter. But that's how they are in the store.
And there is your all the way dog.
Looks pretty good. Now just give it to me in a bowl without the bun and we're jamming.
Cheers, y'all.
That just tastes like North Carolina, doesn't it? That brings back memories, huh?
The best hot dog you'll ever eat. So, I'm going to go ahead and make his up. He don't eat bread, so he's going to get his in a bowl, like a salad. And I'm going to make the kiddos up. Get them at the table. Alrighty, friends. I got my lovely nephew Cam here.
Hello.
He's never had a North Carolina all the way dog. So
I don't know if they're in South Carolina or not.
I don't know.
I don't know. First time
we had
ever.
it in North Carolina. So
So he's about to be treated as a hot dog with slaw, chili, cheese, onion, mustard.
Reminds me of a chili dog, but way better. That's good. Actually, really good.
Second bite, you know he's gonna like. Oh, third bite. Hey, go on, boy. Get you some.
he's been working all day. He's starving.
Yeah, but those are really good. I love the coleslaw.
So, 17 years ago, her and I stopped at a Shell gas station in Kings Mountain, North Carolina, to fill up my 12 valve. You've seen pictures of it all. We were starving Marvins, broke kids. There was a guy with a stainless steel trailer selling hot dogs. We looked at each other and we're like, "Oh, we gotta lose. Let's try them." We walked up, and he's like, "How you want them, all the way, or you just want ketchup?" I'm like, "What's all the way?" So he explained it, and we're like, "Yeah, sure, why not?" Well,
Yeah.
ever since then, she's like to make them that way.
These are really good. I love these. I love them. They're really good. Killer job. Good job. Great
Thank
job.
you, Bob.
Great job.
You want to close out your video quick?
Well, you have my opinion. Fire. Really good.
Tell him, bust it.
Bussin'.
Go.
Bust it.
Really good.
Okay, well, thanks for watching.
20 out of 10, y'all.
Literally. Literally.
Hit that like and subscribe button. Bye.
Tell them,
Peace.
comment down below
Comment down below.
their favorite type of hot dog.
Oh, yeah. Comment
Yeah.
down below your favorite type of hot dog.
Let us know.
Yeah.
What would you put on? Relish, ketchup, or all the way?
Let us know.
Yeah, let us know. Sour cream.
What are you doing?
I meant to say sauerkraut because he had the
Sauerkraut.
sauerkraut on some of the
Well,
dogs
that's like
too.
Yeah, but that's like a Polish dog type deal or something.
Yeah.
Whatever they call it. So,
Yeah.
Awesome.
Y'all stay blessed.
Bye.
Bye.